Plant peppers, eggplants, and tomatoes early, 6 to 8 weeks before your last frost. Just Google your last frost and use a calendar. Go back 6 to 8 weeks. Then that's the day you plant your seeds. My last frost here in zone 7B is on the second week of April. I planted my seeds on the second week of February. I'm going to plant the eggplants. First row, the second row are the peppers, and the third row are the dwarf tomatoes. This variety is Black Beauty, White Knight Hybrid, Pimento, Cobanil, Sweet Banana, Geranium Kiss tomato, and the Purple Rain. These three, the seeds are going to germinate within 10 to 20 days. The sweet banana seeds are going to germinate within 7 to 10 days. The dwarf tomatoes within 7 to 14 days. I'm really excited with these tomatoes. These two varieties of tomato can grow as tall as 3 feet, which is ideal for planting in containers, especially here in zone 7B, Southwest Oklahoma, where the summer is quite hot. So the Black Beauty eggplant seeds 1/2 inch deep. I'll put 2 seeds per cell. There were a few seeds in this packet. See that? 45 milligrams only. So the white ones, 1/4 inch only. For the peppers, the depthness is 1/4 inch. For the geranium kiss tomato, the depthness of the seeds when you sow them should be around 1/4 of an inch. This one, 1/8 of an inch. keeping the eggplant in this row. There's a little one in this row, or the orange bell peppers. This one, red bell peppers. The last one, blueberries, tomato. These tomatoes were planted, I think, on the second half of December. It's a grape tomato, a dwarf one, and the variety is Bing tomato. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a fun day!